One of the highlights of the Oracle Dual Boiler is its auto dial-in system, which uses advanced sensors to monitor each extraction and, if required, adjusts the grind size of your next shot, reducing the guesswork and helping you achieve a better coffee. This can be set by default or changed within the settings menu by touching the cog icon. If your shot flows too fast, the grind size will automatically decrease for the next extraction. Or if it flows too slow, the grind size will automatically increase. After monitoring each extraction based on its readings, the auto dial-in system adjusts the grind for the next shot, making it easier to achieve consistently better results over time. It's a smart, responsive feature that eliminates the guesswork and helps you make better coffee.